Let me show you how to apply change of character and break of structure to a trading chart to help you with your strategy. Now, this right here is the New Zealand dollar and the Canadian dollar. And if we apply our trend line, right there, so we can see what the structure is. It's a sell, up, down, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower low. That's the structure of this. It's just going down, going down. It's kind of ugly, but it's going down. And then eventually, once it gets to this point, it ends up breaking it. That's still not necessarily a break of structure just yet, but it ends up coming to a high that it was previously at. That's change of structure. That's point one. And then when it ends up going down, it did not go as low as it did before. That is another change of structure, which is a possible indication of it going in the opposite direction. And now it ended up going up, down, did not go as down as it did before, and now it's back up, ends up going higher than it did before, and now that is a complete change. So change of structure is when it's starting to not do what it was once doing before. It probably reached the same peak before, and now when it went down, it did not go as down as it did before also, because there are times, sometimes it may go up and then a little down and then go back up and then meet itself again, but ultimately end up going down. Sometimes that happens, but you need two verifications. Came up to a previous point and did not go as low as it did previously. And now it's made a whole new structure. We even got a fair trend line on it. You see? Change of structure, break of structure. Two indications that the market has now reversed.